Hey y'all, it's me, Serena. Welcome back to my channel. I do fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos every single week here on Style with Serena. And I focus on ladies in our 40s, 50s, and beyond. But that doesn't mean you can't stick around if you're not in our age group. If you want to stick around, welcome. We are non-discriminatory here. So today I have an unboxing from Wantable. Love Wantable. If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know that I love them, and I've got some great items from them over the course of the year that I've been doing Wantable. And they're one of my favorite subscription boxes because they do focus kind of on that casual, hip, comfy look, and that is right up my alley. And they also have various other edits you can choose. You can choose an active edit where it's all activewear. You can choose the body and something else, I can't remember, edit where it's more loungewear focused. And then they also have different themed edits that you can choose from. And those vary by season. And it's super easy. You go online, fill out your style profile with your sizes, your preferences, your budget preferences, all those things. And then you get a box curated just for you. And they send you 7 items, and you have 5 days to try on everything in your box and decide what you're keeping and what you're sending back. So super easy. There's a $20 styling fee, and of course that gets credited toward anything that you keep out of your box. And if you have not tried Wantable and you want to try it out, please use my link that I've got down in the description box below, and you'll get a $30 credit on your first box just for using my link to sign up and give it a try. So without further ado, let's jump into this month's box. So this is a very me and a very Wantable type outfit. I've asked for comfy, cozy sweaters, hoodies, joggers, that kind of thing. And so she listened, and that's one great thing about Wantable. They do this, your stylist, you can chat with them, email with them, and they do listen to what you say. It's real people doing it. It's not just a computer algorithm. The people actually listen to your feedback and pay attention to what you tell them. And so I love this sweater that came in the box this time. This is by Vigos, which is a denim brand, but they also make other pieces. And as you know, this cutout trend is all the rage right now. And I love the look of having the cutout. But everything that I've tried so far with this kind of look, I've liked the look of it. I just didn't like it on me. But this sweater I'm really liking. It is super soft. It's super cozy and warm. It's got the little turtleneck here, and then the cutout there that just shows your collarbone and shoulder. So pretty. And it has slightly poofy sleeves, not overly dramatic with the poof, and wide cuffs here. And it is longer. I mean, I could pull it down and wear it all the way down and uncuffed like this with some leggings or skinny jeans, but I like it kind of folded under to put it right kind of at hip height. And I'm wearing it with these jeans. These are from Flying Monkey. And I've never had jeans from Flying Monkey before, but I have to say that these are awesome. These are a button fly. I'll show you how they look. A button fly skinny. And they are very destructed. They've got, the knees are totally destructed, and around the hems. You probably can't see too well with my booties, but they're totally like shredded around the bottoms. That would show up more if I had put on different shoes. But I wanted to put these booties on with the outfit. But these jeans are, like I said, are super comfy, and the button fly is super easy to button. I didn't have any problem with it at all, and they fit me really well. So I don't know, I don't have any jeans that are this destructed, but I'm liking the way it goes together with the sweater and the booties. Let me know what you think. really like it. So I think this first outfit is definitely a winner. The others are a little bit more casual, but let me get changed real quick and we'll see what else I got. Okay, this next top, I was going to actually show it to you with a different bottom, which I'm going to, but I put it on first with these jeans and it looked so good. I thought, okay, I've got to show this sweater with the jeans. It's this beautiful light purple sweater. This is by Wantable, the Wantable store brand, I guess you would say. And I love this big turtleneck on it. It's not tight around your neck. It's just a big, tall turtleneck. And the sweater itself has this ribbed texture all the way down the sleeves, and then it's got the long cuff that's very in right now. And then this is a size small, as was that first sweater. I forgot to mention it was a size small also. And I feel like it just fits me really well. It is long enough to come down past your booty. So with skinny jeans or jeggings or even leggings, you know, it's covering everything that needs to be covered. And I like the slits here on the side, and you can see it's a little longer there in the back. And yeah, I just really like the way this looks. It's long tunic length without being oversized and too big and too just voluminous. So really loving the way this looks, and I love the color too. And as you can see, I left the jeans and boots on, and I think this is a super cute casual outfit. Okay, now I'm going to change it up with some different bottoms. Okay, here is same sweater, different leg. They also sent me these leggings. These are by a brand called Search for Sanity, which I think is just hilarious because I feel like I'm always searching for my sanity. I don't know if I'll ever find it. But the Search for Sanity leggings, they are super soft, super stretchy. They do have the wide waistband up here, and they feel super good. They're very comfortable on. The only thing I have to say is they are long for me. I'm only 5'2", as you've heard me say before, and they are really long in the legs, and they're bunching up at my knees and also down around my ankles. And usually with leggings, I buy, if leggings come in petite, like Spanx, I get petite. But in other leggings, I get the 7/8 length. And that is a good length to be full length on me. So I'm not sure these are going to work. And I haven't been going over prices, have I? I need to go over some prices with you guys. I'll have to get my little sheet out and go over prices with you. But yeah, the sweater I think is a contender to keep, and the leggings, while I like them, they're just not going to work because they are too long for me. But you can see how this sweater would go with a pair of leggings that you already have. And I have a piece of outerwear to show you guys. Okay, here's the jacket they sent, and this is by Bagatelle Collection, and it is just an army green colored anorak jacket. And the thing I like about it is I do already have an anorak jacket, but it is just very thin. It's just like the thin cotton material, and that's it. This one is quilted. Can you see that? So, and it's got, and the wrists are gathered to keep cold air from blowing up inside your sleeves. And I can adjust them where I need to put them. But the quilted fabric, it's not super duper thick, but you can feel something in between there. So it does have a lining to it that gives you some extra warmth. And the material on this jacket is just so soft, like it's been washed 100 times. It's so soft. And this is definitely a winner in my book. I love this jacket. I found my sheet so I can tell you some prices. This jacket is $98, which, you know, it's not bad for a jacket, I don't think. And this one, you could wear it with leggings like this, you could wear it with jeans, you could really wear it with anything. And it's a nice weight for my climate and where I live. Some other prices, that very first sweater I had on by Vigos with the cutout shoulder, that's in a size small and it was $49. The ripped up jeans I had on by Flying Monkey, those were $78. And this purple sweater that I've got on right now, it is by Wantable and it is $79. So that gives you some ideas of the prices. But here's the jacket. It does have a zipper and snaps. And it also has the little toggle thing here, toggle things where you can adjust the waist and cinch it in to suit you. All right, I got one more outfit to show you guys. Be right back. Okay, last outfit, and this one, I wish you could see through the camera how awesome it feels, or feel it through the camera. This is something I asked for, which was some, comfy, cozy joggers, wear around the house, loungy kind of wear, but not so loungy that you can't wear it outside of the house. And I love both these pieces. They are both by Search for Sanity again. And this top is the blue and black kind of zebra striped. It's I guess you would call it a funnel neck. It's not a hoodie, it's just this funnel neck that's got a drawstring. I guess you could tighten it up. But I like the way it lays like that. It's kind of like a cowl neck. And then these black joggers. And these are like a fleecy jogger. They're not super thick fleece, but it's a very thin, fleecy, super soft fabric. And the shirt is made out of the same super soft, brushed, fleecy fabric. And this outfit is definitely a winner. It's a keeper. I love it. This is the kind of thing I wear around home all the time, when I'm not out and about showing houses, doing my real job. This is the kind of thing you'll find me in at home. But it doesn't look so bad that I can't wear it out if I need to run to the grocery store or something, So this is the kind of thing that I really, wear a lot of the time. And this top is on the longer side. You could pull it down and you could even wear it with leggings. But these are joggers, so they got a elastic waistband, a little tie here, have pockets, and I just got this on with my Avia sneakers from Walmart that you guys have seen a ton. But I love this outfit. So cozy. All right, and prices on these. The zebra cowl neck pullover, this is size small, and it is $69. And the fleece jogger and black size small is these are $68. So, maybe a little pricey, but I think I've got some credits on my account I can use, thanks to you guys who have subscribed. Through my links, it does give me some credit on my account too. So I am going to keep this. Here are my thoughts. Y'all let me know what you think about the jeans. I really liked the fit of these. Let me know what you think about them. I don't have anything this destructed. The black sweater I really loved. I was afraid that it wouldn't work, but I do love it with the cutout at the shoulder, and I don't have anything like this. So I really like this. The green jacket, that's a real winner too. The leggings, those are too long, so I won't be keeping those. The sweater, I love this sweater, but I have a confession. The longer I wore it during my filming, and especially after I put that jacket on over it, it really started to make me feel itchy. And I thought it had wool in it, but I looked at the fabric content and it doesn't have any wool. It's polyester and nylon. But something about it was really starting to make me itch around my neck. So, and I'm really bummed about that because I absolutely love this color and love the style and fit of this sweater. But I know that if it's irritating in any way, I won't reach for it, so there's no point in getting that. So those are my thoughts. Thank you for joining me here today. So glad to have you. Remember, if you want to try Wantable for yourself, please use my link down below. Get yourself a credit on your first box. And until I see you guys in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.